Okay, so today we're going to be talking about this app. It's called SHOPKICK. It's the blue one with the S. It's an app that pays you for walking when you are shopping, okay? Or when we pass by through some stores that in the same app are marked, like for example, Walmart, Hy-Vee, Carter's. Here are some others, Oshkosh, Target, American Eagle, Kohl's, Aldi, Walgreens, Dollar General. And as you can see, there are more stores in where they're going to pay you only for walking. For example, in this one in Oshkosh, if you are near the store or if you go in the store, they're going to give you 50 kicks. That's the name of the points. They're called kicks. So just by being near or just going in, they're going to give you 50. And each dollar that you spend with your card in this store, they're going to give you 3 points or 3 kicks. So I want to show you that in some grocery stores like Walmart, they have this little option for you to scan products. You click on scan and these are the products that you can scan. Each product is going to give you in blue the number of kicks that it's going to give you by scanning it. That is the blue one, as you can see right there. Okay, so for example, if you scan this one, it's going to be 10 kicks. And the red one is for when you buy it. So if you buy this product, the app is going to give you 200 kicks. Right here, I already scanned this product. That's why there's no blue number. But again, if you buy the products, they're going to give you much more kicks. It's very simple for you to register, okay? And also it's very easy to use. This app is very easy to use. If you want to use this app, I'm going to leave you my reference code. This code, you can use it once you download the app. And this code is going to give you a bonus. An extra bonus when you scan the first product. A reminder, you don't need to buy the product. Really, you don't need to buy them. You can just scan them, and that's more than enough. And with that, you're going to be receiving the kicks or the points. Okay, I'm going to show you how many kicks I have here in this app. It's 2,809 points or kicks. So this means that every 500 kicks that you have, you can change them for rewards. Right here we have our kicks activity. How many kicks have we got? Our reward cards right here. And this last option, it gives us the different stores from which we can exchange our kicks. For example, we have right here TJ Maxx, Walmart, Marshalls, Amazon. We also have American Eagle, Target, and many more stores that we can exchange our kicks for. Right now, I'm going to give you an example. If I choose Walmart and I want a gift card from there, it says that for $2 gift card, I need 500 kicks. So that's going to be my exchange. If I want a $5 gift card, I need 1,250 kicks. If I want a $25 gift card, I need 6,250. So if I want a $50 gift card, I need 12,500 kicks. In my case, I only have 2,809 kicks. Okay, so one more time right here, I have 2,809. So I could exchange my kicks for only a $5 gift card, but I don't want the $5. I want the $25 gift card. So I'm missing more kicks. And as you can see, you can collect as many kicks as you want, depending obviously on the gift cards that you want to exchange them for. You can get in each of the stores to check how much kicks do you need for each one of their gift cards. Right now, I'm going to leave you my reference code. When you register to the app for the first time, So my reference code, what is it going to do is it's going to give you extra kicks. Remember that this is only for first-time users, okay? And it's going to ask for the reference code in the registration. Before I leave, I would like to show you easy ways for you to get more kicks. Right there on the home page of the app, almost at the bottom is this category where you only have to get on the web page, and that is going to give you kicks. For example, right here, this one, it has the blue eye. The ones that it has the blue eye are the web pages that qualify for the kicks. So we click on it and it gives you one kick and automatically goes on the web page, and that's it. Once we're done, we click X and we're back to the app, and we start looking for different products where we can do basically the same thing. Here it goes one more time. I click on it. There it goes. And then it gives me one click, goes directly to the web page, and then we just click X and we're done. And that's how we are going to be looking for more kicks. Every day, different offers are activated, so it's more simpler for us to get more kicks. We don't exactly need to go walking or go shopping or go to the store. So this is a different way. If you're not going shopping that day or if you're not going walking that day, this is an easy way for you to get kicks without leaving your house. So this is one way. Another way, remember, that is if we buy the products. For example, right here, this product has the little card. So if it shows the card, it means that if you buy it, you get more kicks. Remember that the ones for the web page, you only need to remember that it's the eye. So by having the eye, you only click on it, and basically that is going to give you one kick. Remember, this is my reference code. One more time, this is for first-time users, and this code, it's going to give you 500 kicks just by adding this reference code. Okay, so up next, I'm gonna show you how you can scan the different products in the store. And that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoy it. And please don't forget to share my videos with other people that like these type of apps or offers or coupons. Remember that everyone can use this reference code to download the app. And don't forget that it also helps you to get 500 more kicks. Have a very nice day and goodbye. Thank you very much for watching one more time. Okay, girls, here we are. I'm going to show you how the app works. Okay, so I got in the app. Okay, let me show you. Give me a moment. Okay, we're clicking on having problems with the Zoom. Okay, give me a moment. Oh, here it goes. Okay, so I'm going to click on Walmart because I'm in Walmart. Okay, so as you can see, these are all the products that we can scan. Here are some products like Tylenol and more products. Okay, so when you are in the aisle or if you're going by these products, or you can check directly which products are available for you to scan and look for that product specifically. Okay, so let me start by showing you. First, let me locate the product that I'm going to scan. Okay, so as you can see right here, I'm looking for the product. Let's go to, these are all the products that I'm showing you, and let's look for one and to show you how we can scan it. Okay, so let's see, let's look for one in the aisle that I'm in to show you how we can do it. Okay, I'm looking for it. Let me see, just give me a moment. Okay, it says right here that, for example, this product, it gives us 10 kicks. The next one gives us 20. And so just look for the product that gives you more or the one that you want. For example, this one right here is the product that we have right here. So what we do is that we click on the product, and then it says scan barcode. We look for the barcode and then we scan it, and right there we have our 10 kicks. Okay, so right there you're going to mark the X for the advertisement, and there you go. We have our 10 kicks. Remember that if you buy that product, they're going to give you 200 kicks more. I have more products to scan, but I haven't scanned them because every time that I come with my husband, he also has his own app and I have mine, so we scan different products. So remember that if you want, you can buy the product if it's affordable, or if you like it, or if you want, you can buy them so that you can have more kicks. Remember that the kicks vary depending on the store and the activities in the store, okay? So right now my points are in 2,176 points, okay? Remember that I'm here in Walmart. There are more stores, Carter's, Oshkosh, obviously depending on which one do you want, okay? Remember that this app also gives you kicks just for walking, okay? So right there is marked. In Walmart it's not marked anymore because I already did my walking for those kicks and I already received them. Okay, so this is an example. I hope that you like it.